Hi, welcome back to the Berkeley Chefs channel. I'm Kayla Berkeley and today we are going to make cherry smoothie bowl. So we're going to first talk about our ingredients here. We have cherries, avocados, frozen banana, coconut yogurt, almond butter, almond milk, hemp seed, and some homemade tahini granola.
And now, here are the benefits of cherries.
Number 1, cherries are packed with nutrients. Number 2, cherries may help improve your sleep, so you will have a good night's sleep. Sleep tight. Number 3, cherries have lots of vitamins. Number 4, cherries are loaded with antioxidants. Like these benefits? Smash that like button and share it with your friends. Number 5, cherries can help improve your skin. And as a bonus, I'm going to tell you a fact about cherries. Did you know that each cherry tree produces about 7,000 cherries? Wow, that's a lot of cherries! Now you know you must plant at least one cherry tree so you can harvest 7,000 cherries and make cherry pie! Now back to the video.
So we're going to put in our cherries in first. Then our frozen banana. Then we're gonna put in our avocado. Okay. Take out the seed. We'll put in the next one. And then we're gonna put in a tablespoon of coconut yogurt, which has probiotics. Then we're going to put a little almond milk. And we're going to start blending all the ingredients together in a high-speed blender.
A Berkeley Chef interruption.
Oh, this hat is so nice and cozy. Make sure to get this hat at berkeleychefs.com/shop. See you there. I better get back to job.
Smells really good. We're gonna then put in our hemp seeds. And we're also gonna put a tablespoon of homemade almond butter. And I'm just gonna scrape the spoon off. Then we're gonna continue blending on. So we're gonna put the smoothie from our blender into the glasses. It's creamy. And we're gonna top this up with some cherries and some granola. So we have a smoothie in the glasses. We're gonna put some little cherries. Okay. Then we are going to put a dollop of coconut yogurt. If you don't have coconut yogurt, you can buy it at the store.
You can also watch this recipe we made on dairy-free coconut yogurt after this video is finished.
And then we're gonna sprinkle a little tahini granola. Look really good.
Berkeley Chef interruption.
Hi, I'm Caleb. Are you a parent whose child handwriting is messy? Well, I was like that too. Then I learned cursive handwriting and my handwriting improved a lot. I love cursive writing a lot. That's why I made this book, my easy cursive handwriting book. The fun and easy way for your child to learn cursive. No tears, no fuss. The benefits of this book are from A to Z. Your child will learn how to form all the cursive letters neatly and tight. There will also be words at the end of the book for your child to practice and some blank pages for your child to write some words. Your child can be writing very neat soon. So make sure to grab your copy of this book on Amazon.com or Amazon.ca. Or you can scan this QR code here to take you to the book. Thank you for your support. Bye! This is how you make a cherry almond smoothie. I hope you guys enjoy it.